garment is well wrought and skilled in fair fashion, beautiful without buts or ifs, of love nobly said in gifts on a gay tune. And whoever may learn it, before he overturn it, let him look at reason's place. Then let him give or sell it to one who will resell it when he sees the season's grace, and sing it out there where no doubt he may gain a ring or lace. So let him try it. Out of the sire, a robe of Gordon's race. I hold it as a pain and sorrow, the life that they lead, those hollow and wicked men. For they come and they go, those bad, backwards or forwards, but never glad, except in the grave. Worse than their life is when death sends its summons, and it comes to them, alas. For such a mismatched living have they chosen, unforgiving, those sorrowful, wretched ones, who neither give nor forgive their own, nor hold peace in their ways. They reap a bad harvest, and worse they sound in rest, and go an ill pace. Well, might I have escaped this fate if one did no wrong, early or late, far or near. I say this for the death that strikes and kills and steals the breath of one well prized. But why does he not lead away that man who sows day after day wickedness always? He crushes others like a whale's jaw that drinks them down without a law, one by one, because he thinks he is finally conquered without chinks, and leads men all undone. He has lost and sold his worth for gold, and thrown valor into the sun. I hold him for a courtly man indeed, he who in court undows a deed when he unmakes a thing that a rich man ill-taught has undertaken and wrongly wrought and wrong awakes. It is a very beautiful cause when a man hunts the wicked flaws in a man who is base, and he who praises them to the skies when he's under the stone. Let him be wise and think how he fares in that place, for who follows folly with folly, wickedness falls from grace and leads astray from the right way. The wicked man, so he falls from his place. And is clearly evident in the life that is apparent of the worst men. The more they have of sense, and with the lower sinks and falls in the pit they're dwelling then. In the way of a balance, the higher it swings in its malice, the lower it makes its course. That evil thing is a company from which a man falls into a dance so free, when no help has its source. But I desire that men look with fire on the dealings of the traitor's force, who by murder would be the lord for sure of Anjou or of Tours. With lies and false speaking, let him not draw me in who is seeking his honor's course. For if speaking, it must be said that the good and honor are sped in truthful discourse. In truthful discourse.